so pretty today.
What today? I look pretty every day. Diwali vibes.
क्योंकि हम हॉट है ना. Life is always fun.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be going to my college. Yes guys, मैं college जा रही हूँ फिर से क्योंकि मेरा last time जो पेपर वर्क नहीं हुआ था तो आज मेरे को जैसे भी करना है. So आज मैं college आएगा और apply कर देगा. उसके बाद I'll get it after a week and we'll also be going to Kamla Nagar after that. इसीलिए stay tuned and I'll take you guys along with me. Guys, so I am heading to the library now and I brought my sisters with me because I was alone and yeah, so let's get my paperwork done and then let's have fun. Hi guys, so this is my college and I want you all to join here क्योंकि ये है बड़ी मज़ेदार.
Hi Gom.
Hi.
You look so pretty today.
What today? I look pretty every day.
No, today is special I think.
No, I look pretty every day.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Look here.
That is our lawn. There we have a Lakshmi Bai statue over there.
Oh,
I'll take you guys there, okay? Okay guys, so we are heading to the main office जहाँ में मेरा ये expire हो जाएगा. So come, let's go.
okay.
Hi guys, we are waiting for our clearance form to be done and here I have Sanku, my videographer. Okay, so we're done with our paperwork and now we're heading to the lawn because we'll be doing some talk session. Hi guys, so we're done with all the paperwork and now we're heading to the lawn because we're gonna do a little talk session with Gom and also we're gonna clear all the doubts that you DU students are having. Hi Sanku. Hi Sangchomo. Dekho, the statue that I was talking about is right there, the Lakshmi Bai statue. Myself Gombu Yangzom and I am graduated. To all the people asking me in my comments and all, मैं graduate हो चुका हूँ. I graduated in this year only 2021 और मेरा कॉलेज लाइफ के बारे में मैं क्या बोलूँ. लाइक लास्ट टाइम मेरे को कमेंट्स बहुत सारा आया था कि लाइक प्लीज़ टॉक अबाउट योर कॉलेज लाइफ और कॉलेज एक्सपीरियंस एज अ DU स्टूडेंट. तो मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि माई कॉलेज लाइफ वॉज फन टिल इट लास्टेड क्योंकि I did it for 1.5 years. Like I studied offline classes for like 1.5 year, yeah, and it was fun till it lasted. So yeah, my college name is Lakshmi Bai College. It's a girls' college, or it's an Ashok Vihar North campus only. It is good, and I was doing my BA program. So all the people who are asking me like, is BA program good course or not? Yeah, it is a good course. You can also pursue it if you have interest. Or like to all the first year students, like this is a very good college, and I'm so happy that you're joining here, and congratulations. And also yes guys, please have fun. पढ़ाई भी करो लेकिन have fun, क्योंकि later you're gonna regret it a lot like us, क्योंकि हमारा तो college ही नहीं हुआ था. It only happened for 1.5 year. That's it. So but it's fine. And yes guys, if your college reopens, then please do attend all the fest. Like please do attend like later, so that you won't regret it. And that's it. मैं वही बोलना चाहूँगी, और तो कुछ भी नहीं. So I think I will head out now. I've created lots of reels and clicked lots of pictures, and now we're heading out. And
I'm
yeah,
feeling so hungry now.
even me, I'm so hungry. It is 1:40 p.m. and we didn't have a we didn't have anything.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं खाया हम लोग सुबह से. So hungry now. I think we'll go to
KFC.
okay, so yep, she wants to go to KFC. And Sanuma, where you want to go?
Same KFC.
Okay, also she want to go to KFC,
Two
but
for KFC.
okay, then I think we'll go for KFC. Let's take auto now. Okay,
हाँ सीधा चलता रही हो. अपना चौक का देखिएगा ना, बड़ा चौक है, राइट मुड़ते
प्राइस भैया. We are waiting for our fries. Sangruma. So I don't think we are allowed to film here. I'm getting this.
नहीं हो पाएगा. वो पैसे वापस कर देना, पेटिंग कर दिया.
Very good. Reception.
Diwali vibes. So we are finally here. We are going to go to the mall because we need to get something from H&M. And yeah, it's so crowded.
Hi. Meet Bhaiya. Nice to meet him. No.
Hi guys, we are finally here. Hi.
Welcome to my room.
We are in H&M and yo. Okay, Sangruma is shopping for her बेबी, न्यूली बोर्न बेबी, सिस्टर के लिए. Get for me this one. Get for my baby, Ibrahim Ali Khan. There's nothing so much good in Kamla Nagar's H&M, so we're not getting anything, I guess. But yeah, and we also didn't get anything from the street shops. I think we'll come another day क्योंकि आज हम लोग already satisfied with everything. और हम लोग बहुत थक चुके हैं, तो इसीलिए maybe we are not finding anything attractive. So yeah, I think we'll head back home. Sanku, अभी हम लोग क्या के लिए रुक रहे बता दो तो.
रिक्शा.
Okay, so now we are waiting for a rickshaw. उसके बाद हम चले जाएंगे. हम लोग 3 फिर होगा. We're heading back home now.
We had lots of fun today.
It was super fun.
Always fun.
Always fun, everyday fun, all day fun.
Fun. Life is always fun.
We are going to get fresh juice now, fresh watermelon juice. What do you want to have?
Watermelon.
You also watermelon, na? Hum bhi watermelon.
Always favorite.
Hi, beautiful ladies.
बोलो ना बोला.
Hi, but not beautiful.
को जरा सबर करो.
इतनी गर्मी क्यों लगती है इन लड़कियों को?
क्योंकि हम हॉट है ना.
नकली हॉट. Watermelon juice. Sanko. Ooh, cheers. Cheers. So we reached home and that was it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and also more daily vlogs to come. Bye bye.